My name is Nutty O, and I'm honored to be here tonight. Honestly, I didn't expect this. When I received the news, I was excited, and that's how I can explain it, but it's deep because it means whatever efforts, whatever work I've been doing is being recognized. And I want to say thank you, Conrad, for this. Thank you for identifying the community. And thank you for bringing the community together because it's important. This is when we get to see the who's and who's. This is when we get the opportunity to collaborate because right now in this time, everybody is representing their own. Everybody is pushing their own. We need to gather as a community, as a Zimbabwean community, and push forward the movement. So I want to say thank you, Conrad. I want to say thank you to everybody who has made this possible. The Zimbabwe Achievers community is important, and I commend you. This must go on. It's not easy being an artist from Zimbabwe. I must tell you. It's not easy coming from Bari as a musician with a bigger goal to impact the world, the global stage. It's not easy. But regardless, we keep on. The wagon is moving slowly but surely. We're moving. I like what somebody said about small beginnings. I tell you, we start this small, but the ending is going to be bigger. So I commend you all and I thank you all. Let's push together. Remember, a cord of peace strands cannot be easily broken. So we together, if we move together as one, I have Grammys to take, I have BETs to take. As far as the music is concerned, I have it under control. So I want you to have control in whatever sector and specialty that you are in. Thank you.